ほど光り出した白い闇切り裂く翼になれ
Time to teach you a lesson. How come a weak kitty pet like you wants to become a warrior cat?
Do you need some help, Kit? You must be hurting. Come take a rest and we'll take you home. Hey!
Defeated already? Even for a kitty pet, that's
I
pathetic.
can still fight.
No!
How did you do that? How come a cat with such a long tail?
Are you scared? Good. Every warrior should have a power of their own. Our ancestors, they have the strongest and most extraordinary powers. Over the years, the blood of these powerful fighters was spilled in war. And after many generations, this power has now been passed down to us. Without the blood of the ancient fighter, a kitty pet like you, a mouse-brained furball without months of training and respect towards the ancient warriors, will never become a true warrior.
Longtail is a young warrior who has completed his training with constant, excellent feedback. His gifted ability is the cause of his personality. However, he is still, no doubt, a talented warrior of ThunderClan. Rusty is a kit being introduced to the wild for the first time. There is no chance of winning. He hasn't attempted an attack since the start. What is he waiting for? The right time to strike? Does he even have any idea what he's facing? About Longtail? What is he trying to prove?
The warm-up is finished, Kit. Now time to show you how a true warrior fights!
Stop!
Spotted Leaf?
I had enough of all these unnecessary harms. This battle was finished before it started. Everybody knows you're the winner, but beating up a young kid won't make you a better warrior. But a bully with no respect for life. He may come from the outside, but isn't he still like you and me? He has the same red blood. He can feel the same pain and love. It's the heart that makes a warrior. A warrior's
Get
heart.
out of my way!
Ugh!
How much do you know? You're just a medicine cat. You only exist for the weaker ones like him.
Mouse brain.
Go, Rusty. Go teach him a lesson. As you grow up, there will be more pain, more unfair, more stronger enemies, more suffering, and you must learn to conquer them.
Get off!
Stop. This battle is finished. I said stop. Longtail, it's finished.
Finished yet! This battle's just getting started!
The newcomer has lost its two-leg collar in a battle for his honor. StarClan has spoken its approval. This cat has been released from the hold of his two-leg owners and is free to join ThunderClan as an apprentice. You look like a brand of fire in this sunlight. You have fought well. From this day forward, until he has earned his warrior name, this apprentice will be called Fireclaw, in honor of his flame-colored pelt.
From now on, I'm a ThunderClan apprentice. I'm Firepaw. Longtail, do you need some help?
Leave me alone!
Let me help you, Longtail.
Hey, Firepaw! That was a great fight, especially for a kitty pet. Longtail is a warrior, although he only finished his training 2 moons ago. That scar you left on his ear won't let him forget you in a hurry. You've spoiled his good looks, that's for sure.
He put up quite a fight, though.
Rest here and don't move. Your wound will heal soon. Relax. This will stop your bleeding.
She's Spotted Leaf, our medicine cat. Not bad looking either. Younger and prettier than most.
Lucky your collar snapped when it did. Longtail is a young warrior, but I can't imagine him being beaten by a kitty pet.
Watch out! No, Darkstripe is neither young nor pretty. Smaller smells trouble. Ravenpaw? Why are you alone? Where's Tigerclaw?
Ravenpaw? Tigerclaw?
Ravenclaw's an apprentice. Tigerclaw is his mentor. Ravenpaw went out with Tigerclaw and Redtail at sunrise on a mission against RiverClan.